Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1972 Ford Mustang. This is a true Mach 1. Great car, guys. I actually bought this car. It came out of a private collection out of North Carolina. The gentleman I bought it from bought the car from a senior out of North Carolina who's owned the car for several years. They figure it's a 3-owner car. Great car. This is a true Mach 1. It's finished in grabber yellow. It's got the matching numbers, 351 cubic inch engine in it. It's only got 48,000 original miles. It's had one repaint when the restoration was done, which is very recent. I think he said within the last 7 or 8 years. It's been upgraded to Ram Air. It's got the Ram Air system underneath the hood, the factory Ram Air type system. Great car. It's got air blows cold. Really just a good, solid car. Like I say, out of a private collection. You're looking for a nice Mach. I think you're going to love this car. Love the color combo. It's grabber yellow. I like it's got the black Mach 1 accents on it, the black Mach 1 interior. Really nice car. Not much that I can really pick on this car, guys. You can see all the Enduro bumper and everything is very nice. Like I said, I didn't really see much. You know, if you want to nitpick, here you go. It looks like there's a little touch-up mark right there. But there's not much you can really pick at, guys. Very nice car. Front spoiler, it's got the rear deck spoiler. Again, it's been upgraded to the Ram Air system on there, so it's got the Ram Air air cleaner and everything on it. Matching numbers. Sorry, the sun's right over our shoulder here, so it makes it tough to see. Chrome and stainless are very nice. Sorry guys, just a little dust there. You can see how nice the dash is. Pretty car. Got a bunch of new stuff coming. Again, I apologize. I know guys are not happy because cars have gotten sold before they were able to see pictures in a video. Try to get them done as fast as I can, guys. Car's nice and flat down the sides. Nice set of the factory Magnum 500s. Really just a quality car. Car's actually out of Georgia. I bought it down at a show in North Carolina, but it's actually out of Georgia. The only thing we got to do, I know we've ordered them, we didn't get to put on yet. We're going to order some new springs for the hood. They're just kind of weak, so we got a little prop rod in there right now, but we actually ordered the new springs. It does have front disc brakes. Again, this is the matching numbers, 351 cubic inch engine. It's been upgraded to the air grabber. Factory air works, 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes. Detailed up, very nice underneath the hood. We took some good shots underneath the car. Again, guys, we got the prop rod just because I'm just a little worried about this thing coming down on me and blasting me on my bald head here. But we've ordered new springs for it. Really pretty car, man. Again, bunch of new stuff coming. I try to always post a picture at least on our Facebook page or our site, kind of a coming soon as I'm buying them. It's got the dual sport mirrors. But I like to shoot my own videos and take the pictures, guys, so unfortunately, I'm the one who buys them. I'm the one who goes and gets them, so it takes me a little time to get them advertised. I know that can be frustrating, but I apologize, and I It's just the way I like to do it, man. It's kept us around for 41 years. Stock bucket seats and console. It's a factory tack and gauge car. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Those are not tears. That's where the seat belt comes through there. Factory dash. Got the stock AM radio. Factory tack and gauges. 48,997 on the odometer. And that is the correct miles. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a 9-inch rear end. It's not a big gear. It's you know, like a factory gear. It's not. You can definitely get on the expressway and cruise the car. Would have been standard with an air car. It's got a Magnum spare. Try not to rip the doggone. What do you call it? Yeah. See, it's all blacked out in the trunk. Trying to pull those brake lights and stuff out. Very, very nice car. Fit and finish on the car is excellent. Again, it drives and handles great. Air works. Again, we took some nice photos of it underneath for you. Nice car. And really, it's going to be very reasonably priced, guys. Definitely could not build this car for what we're going to ask for it. Dash is in great shape. Like I say, there's not a whole lot you can really pick at on the car. Again, the dual sport mirrors. Have Jay fired up. Air works. You see Jay just kicked the AC on. Just a nice car, man. This guy had man, we can tell the nice weather's getting here. We got little bugs out here. This guy had quite the collection, and they were all very nice. Fuel gauge works. All the gauges are working. Gauges working on the console there. Jay said all the gauges in the console are working. Backup lights work. Car's got a good sound to it. The clock works. Even the clock works, yeah. Gauges are working there. Radio works. Blower motor we know works. Again, the doors open and close nice. Oh, sorry, Jake. Yeah, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our Instagram page. Or as always, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Very, very nice car. Have a great day, guys.